I'm the young adult librarian at Brenna Library, and I am a member of the Train Hop subcommittee, and so I'm one of the people who helped put tonight's festivities together. This is the third annual Train Hop, and it started with a group of citizens that really wanted to spruce up the downtown area, specifically regarding the railroad station and the areas surrounding the train tracks. Part of what came out of that was the farmers market is a big initiative that that group has taken on, and then additionally the Train Hop.
Well, there you go.
Essex Junction, we have Junction in our name, which is coming straight from us as a train, a railroad community. We've gotten a bunch of community organizations involved to get people to go around and see the areas and spruce up the areas surrounding the trains, and to bring back that history and make it part of our present and not just part of our history.
The planning for this was completely volunteer driven, so it's just really cool to see this come together.
The library, the teen center, Maplehurst Florist. This year we've got Murray's, we've got TD Bank, we've got the Dark Room Gallery, and we have the roaming railroad outside.
We have the Essex community players who have sent us a volunteer to do a lot of the pictures with Santa, which is much appreciated, and we have just gotten a lot of support from the community on this. We have Relay for Life putting out the luminaria, which are lighting the walkways.
People are going around, we've got volunteer conductors at each stop. They're punching tickets so that people can go and visit.
High-speed adventure?
Yes!
Hi, we just were conductors at Maplehurst Florist.
Oh, you've got quite a crowd, huh? Are you in charge of all these tickets? We also have tons of amazing raffle prizes that have been generously donated. It gets people out, coming together as a community to see all of the amazing initiatives that are happening in Essex Junction. I think my favorite thing, being both a resident and an employee of Essex Junction, is how involved and invested community members are. And I think that this is a night where you see that come to life. You see people getting around and seeing friends and family and people they don't know, and just being open and ready and excited to ring in the holiday season, ring in the new year, and get excited about where they live.
Happy holidays!